Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts and hello from Tiny Arm. Today we're going to do some planning in my Pocket Traveler's Notebook from Mystic's Little Gifts. This is my chunky lady and I love her, and we are planning this week for November 11th through the 17th. So let's get organized. So for those of you that are new and aren't caught up with the whole situation here, this is my Pocket Traveler's Notebook. I have a monthly section, a weekly section, and then some dailies that I fill out every now and again. But this weekly booklet is actually a little notebook from a Happy Scrappie subscription kit that a friend sent me that she wasn't using. And that's what it looked like originally, and I decided to repurpose it for my weekly layout. So what I'm doing is basically just continuing the lines across to make boxes, and then the pages have, a couple of them have like little, drawings on them, like that one has a little bow. And usually they just get covered up, or I'll just take a little bit of white out and cover it up. Or for the UK peeps.
Tippex. Take the Tippex and get it, watch it out, the Tippex.
I apologize. That was really bad, but I always love how you guys say Tippex. Anyway. You guys, it's been a long weekend, can you tell? All right. So I am using a Shine Sticker Studio Hobonichi Weeks kit. This is the Woodland Creatures, Woodland Wonderland. And then I bought the little Woodland Wonderland deco little sticker sheet because I thought that would be enough to fill up a little pocket kit. And it was. It turns out so cute. So I used the bottom washi that's meant, for the Hobonichi Weeks along the bottom of those boxes. And then I'm putting in the date boxes. Obviously, this isn't a vertical, setup. It's horizontal. So it's going to be a little bit just kind of making it work, which is totally fine with me. I love it. And not for everybody, but I love it. And then I took the what's meant for the top washi, I think, in the Hobonichi Weeks, and I just put it like along the top so that the boxes are kind of framed out along the top and the bottom. And I just liked how that looked. When I saw this kit on the website, I about pooped. I thought it was so cute. And I don't know if she's not doing pocket kits anymore because none of the new ones that she's made have been in pocket, which really makes me sad because I love her pocket kits. But I guess we'll just have to survive. And then I'm doing the top washi along that. I'm making that top corner box kind of like a notes or a to-do box. I have a habit tracker left over from a couple of autumn kits that I used earlier this year, like the star apple bottom one and then another one. I can't remember. But this one, let's see, I used the little to clean and to buy stickers from that old kits, and then I cut her little mushroom to-do boxes and made a little list. I changed it later because I realized that I'd rather just have like a general to-do box. But it is, a helpful place to jot things down. And then I'm writing in the dates with my zebra Sarasa. This is 0.7 in the color Mahogony, and I love it for these fall spreads. And it'll be really nice for like Christmas as well too. So I'm just putting down the boxes. I love the Hobonichi Weeks. This kit came with a ton of boxes, which was really cool. And then the deco was the perfect size to just work in around, around my boxes. Like, because a lot of times if it's, a different size kit, I'm working with those full boxes, which I absolutely love those, but it's a lot harder to sacrifice an entire box to just decoration than it is to scatter around these littler pieces of deco that match the kit. So I think I might look into that more for my little pocket. I think next year it won't be so hard in my A5 spreads because I have more room, to scatter in the full boxes. But and these little decorative setups are pretty much just that. It's a way to see my whole week at a glance and to just decorate and enjoy, using cute stickers. So I use it for timed things generally. And so I'm putting boxes on the initial layout where I know I need to record things. And then sometimes if it's just something that I want to remember, I cut apart her little lists and I use the little things like the little mushroom as kind of a little icon. Or like on Wednesday, I use the mushroom checklist to kind of cover a block of time where I'll be at work. So that's the way I've used a couple of those. And then I put a little box on Thursday and then the little fox decoration. Oh my God, it's so cute. And Saturday has the hedgehog. Is it a hedgehog or is it a porcupine? A hedgehog. Oh my God, hedgehogs are so stinking cute. And then a box on Sunday, and then I put the little girl on top of it. I am this cute. This kit is so cute that it's just makes me want to scream. And then the little owl. Oh, goodness gracious. And then I'm just writing in our plans. Basically, Monday, I have to go to my kids' school because my son's scout Den is doing the flag ceremony for Boy Scouts on Monday. So I have to go and help organize that because my husband's going to be at work and he is their scout leader. So Mom is swooping in and we're going to see if I can figure out how to raise a flag and, more than that, corral 18 9-year-old boys into doing it correctly. So wish me luck. And then the typical karate and dance schedule work. And then Saturday we have conferences for the kids at school. And Sunday my mom and dad are coming back from Florida. And I'm so excited for them to be home because I miss them. And I decided to pick up the little to clean and to buy stickers and just turn that into a general to-do. And then I put the mushroom checklist down because I just wanted to kind of give myself a little bit more freedom there. And then on the morning and afternoon where I was pretty free, I put the to clean and to buy in there because I will probably be cleaning or running errands in those little blocks of time. So I just like to come up with ways to use all the stickers because I don't want any of them to get, left in the binder and not used when they're all so stinking cute. And then the little pumpkin with the mushroom. This kit, the little gnome woodland fairy people are they're adorable. And that was pretty much it. So I'm just slipping it back in my Pocket Traveler's notebook. And that's what it's gonna look like. I could not be happier. And then I just took a little bit of time to fill out my to-do list for this week. I need to get some packages in the mail and finish up organizing our basement before Thanksgiving when we have family coming. All that stuff, you guys. Buy cat litter, buy cat food, do the laundry, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I hope you guys are feeling organized and feeling like you're having a good, start to the week. Let's have a happy Monday. I know sometimes I have to repeat that to myself a few times, but if you are new here, I'm really glad that you're here and thank you. Please subscribe and leave me comments about how you like to plan, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.